Magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ito po yung lingkod, si Jor Makinay. And today, we'll be reviewing another MP5K, which is, in this case, the Sijun MP5K. It's one of my favorite brands because they make good quality gel blasters. First, this unit is from Hydro Blasters MNL. So thank you for them for the usual support. And this is a loaner because I already have far too many MP5s already. So I just got this for the review. Okay, this will be available on their store. So you can easily get this one. Anywho, first one, quality. Since this is a Sijun, it's very good quality. Lots of metal parts. It's really heavy. Metal magazine, nylon body, metal front sight, metal what do you call this one? Thread, metal inner barrel, metal charging handle. So that's also a prime HK slab. Metal rear stock, metal, this is also metal holder, metal sights, so metal trigger, I think it's plastic trigger, metal magazine release, and metal pins for the disassembly parts, especially in this guy. This, and this. So lots of metal parts. That's why it's really heavy. Features, it's basically a standard unit with magazine prime. And the battery is located here. So one of the cons, there won't be much upgrades for this one unless you go with what I did with my LDT MP5K battery. I went out and put a tri-rail, so I usually there's a battery holder here. So drum mag, brushless, lots and lots of gels, and also this is heavy because metal gearbox. So you can do lots of running and spraying with this one. It looks so nice. Double. But it's really heavy. It hurts my arms. BB capacity, very limited. It's only this one. So again, it's an MP5, so don't expect much. Very limited capacity. This is a version 2 gearbox, so lots of upgrades. And V2 motor, no, not V2, 480 long, so you can change this brushless on a better motor. I don't know why they did not include the screw. It's on the box, and why it's not screwed here to prevent it to get lost, probably. See, in the LDT it's like this. In the MP5K, it's Sijun is like this. Again, different. One of the cons is also this is I know it's a Sijun, and I thought it will be saying, but no. Again, gel blaster company's main issue, not compatible mags. The LDT is not compatible with the Sijun. The Sijun looks same with the Saima, but again, not compatible. So it's sad. I know there's a drum mag for the Sijun one, but this one doesn't come with it. So very limited ammo. So a major con. Looks nice, but without a drum mag, it's very limited. This is 170 FPS average, so range is very limited, but it can easily reach the 10-meter mark, so it's okay. Price, I do not know. Please check the link down below for their store price and just visit them, either physically, wink wink, or through their Lazada store. I don't know if this is available. Oh, this has this matte finish that makes it looks cool, but also a con for me because in the future this will degrade and will become sticky. The LDT version has a rough texture already, but it is built in and there's no paint, so it will only get scratched as it goes older, but it's fine. Oh, I forgot about the trades. This one has lots of trades. Made in Germany, the Cal 9x19, the caliber, this one. It's also on the top. Really nice. Again, not as accurate as the LDT, but it has trades. Most probably the price of this one will be similar to this one, but this is much more expensive. This was around 9,000 plus to 10,000 plus a long time back. This will be also expensive because of the similar qualities. Anywho, if you like MP5s, it's very iconic, it's nice. It will be heavy, it'll be expensive, so it depends if you really want it. For me, I like the MP5 case. I have it in airsoft form also. I have 4 MP5s. Anywho, if you want it, buy it. It's available on Hydro Blaster 7L. Anywho, if you have any comments, suggestions, violent reactions, do not hesitate to put it down in the comment section down below and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!